Well, I hope after this year's great start that we can establish this as an annual event, so that in time, as young people in Leeds go through school, every single one of them will at least seen a manufacturing company. If they've all had a chance and they've all seen it, they can make their own minds up.
I think the LMF's been a huge success in 2018 because in 2017 it didn't exist. We got plenty of manufacturers involved, but there's still hundreds out there that didn't get involved. So if the schools and pupils don't know that you're there, then they're not going to know about you, they're not going to come and find you for a job.
People who are advising them about careers don't know about our manufacturing companies. They don't know that there's a whole host of careers involved. It's just so important that we get these young people into our companies.
You don't have to give anything up financially, it's your time.
And we're confident that that time will be richly rewarded.
You get to be connected with a great network through the Leeds Manufacturing Alliance.
A large exposure on social media, they'll be on our website. Some of them will get to appear in videos, and we'll do what we can to publicise their business.
You are connected to the schools, you have instant inroads to them.
And you will get to see young people and get them interested in working for your business. We've gone for Leeds Manufacturing Festival because it's going on all year round. It's a continual series of things celebrating the strength of manufacturing in Leeds and opening our doors to the young people of Leeds.